Working at maximal intensity for an extended amount of time is just not physiologically possible. So if you think that working tougher workout routines for longer durations will make you shed fat faster, you may need to rethink your weight loss strategy. Instead, there's a much more effective way of transforming your body. This workout routine involves much shorter durations than traditional workouts, is full of high-intensity moves, and grants your body frequent recovery periods to get all set up for the next round. In fact, it's high-intensity activity that will help you lose body fat while retaining body mass, strengthen the cardiovascular system, and develop your ability to tolerate a high level of intensity for a longer period.